Warning, this is pretty creepy, but if you're looking to lose some sleep or perhaps even have nightmares at night, Midjourney has the feature for you. This is actually, I'm a little bit behind the 8 ball on this, but it's an old hidden style that works with version 4. It's called Cursed. And the way it works is you type in your prompt --V4, and you know we've got styles such as 4A, 4B, and 4C, but this style is called Cursed. Add that to your prompt, hit enter, and you'll get some pretty creepy looking results, such as this old man on the left who looks pretty normal without the style. Add Cursed, and it's the stuff of nightmares. And the same with this woman, has that kind of like photo of a TV look, and it's kind of got just old and a little bit creepy. It doesn't really add too much to it, but just the style and the way the image is presented tends to creep me out a little bit. But the way it's blurred and looks a little bit out of focus, I find it's really kind of got that horror movie feel. Even simply the colors of this image, I feel like gives it a creepy look. Same again, like an old faded photograph, kind of like something you've dug up in an abandoned house. So it's definitely worth playing with if you're looking to create some images that are just a little bit creepy and a little bit different than usual. But you can definitely have some fun with it if you're looking for something just a little bit different. So I just want to share that with you guys today. Have a play, see what you reckon. Otherwise, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like. Otherwise, hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.